Okay. Okay, we'll look at the one from 2015. These are general first questions. Remember tomorrow 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Gotta be prepared. So as you can see, this is from 2015. It's a supplementary paper, right? So you'll be looking at this the first thing in the morning. Probably spend because this one is um 20 marks. So this is like the first 20 minutes of the paper. This will be easy. Very easy. This questions, when they start with algebra, it's for building momentum, right? So without any wasting of time, the first question is for you to factorize. Let's see, you've done it for 3 years now. So you're gonna have this, and then this is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5, or it is equal to -4. There's your first 1 minute. Okay. Then secondly, okay, this thing, what thing is they telling you to actually use the quadratic formula. That's what they're saying to you. Like they're just putting it in different words. So you're gonna say x equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac. Right, this is all equal to a. Then I have negative 11 plus or minus negative 11 all squared minus 4 into a, that's 2. And then c is 7. So I'm gonna close this, then this is divided by a to a. So you're gonna get your solutions there. I've already done the calculation. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I did some calculations for it. So this is the first solution. You have negative 0.89, right? Rounded off. So it's not 9, it's 7. Rounded off to 2 decimal places. Then I go to the next one. So my answer is equal to negative 0.1. That's rounded off to 2 decimal places. So as I continue to the next question. Hey, wait. Listen to this one. This is hard. This album is hard. Hard. Listen to that Monday. Okay, so get into inequality. The first thing to do is to make sure it's in standard form. So you have 5x squared minus 21x plus 4. This is greater than 0, right? So that's the first thing. It has to be in standard form, like ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 or greater than 0, right? So this actually tells you, right, you have to have it in the standard form. Right now it's in standard form. So what I'm going to do is factorize this thing. I know it's going to be 5x. Then I have x here. And then this is a 4. The sign here is a negative. So I'm going to make a negative, then -1. Okay, 0. So my critical values are the solutions to these equation. So it's a fifth and 4. These are my critical values. So I'm gonna have this thing here. Then I have the critical values, which is 1/5 and 4. This continues there. Right. So I know that they are not included. Right. I know that they're not included. So won't be included. I'm gonna have something like this. They're not included. And then I'm gonna look at the value of a. Remember from the quadratic the quadratic function, right? The parabola. We had ax squared plus bx plus c, right? A was telling you about the concavity. If you have A being positive, right? That's concave, and then you have convex thing when A is a negative, right? So now my A is positive, so I'm gonna have a function like this one. So I'm gonna look at where the function is positive, right? So before 1.5, so because I'm gonna have 0 here, negatives, and whatsoever going that way. Before this value, the graph is above the x-axis. The graph is positive, right? So x is going to be less than a fifth. That is when you have the graph being positive, because that's what we're looking for, positive values. Then between 1.5 and 4, between here, the space here, that's below. So f of x is negative. I don't want those values. I want the values of x where f is a positive. So it's positive here, then it's also going to be positive for values that are greater than 4. Because you'll be having 5 here, you'll be having 6, and so on. Right? So here's my inequality. X has to be less than a fifth, or it has to be greater than 4. That's the solutions. Getting to the last one. Okay, I don't think it's the last, it's the second last. So you are given an exponential. You're dealing with exponents. So you're gonna have 2 exponents 2x, then that's minus 6, and 2 exponent x plus, minus 6 equals 0. This is the standard form. The minute I see 2x, I know I'm dealing with a quadratic, right? So I have it in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. I have it in standard. Oh, we can't. Okay, so for my solutions here, right, this is going to be 2 exponent x, right, because it's 2x. Then I'm going to have 2 exponent x. These are the factors of 2 exponent 2x. And then I'm going to look at the factors of 16, right? Of negative 16, they have to give me a negative 6. So I have 4 and 4. But if I look at the difference or the sum of the numbers, they don't give me a negative 6. But I can do 8 and 2. 8 and 2. The difference is 6. So 8 is going to take the sign of negative because it's the bigger one. Then I have plus here. So I have 2 exponent x being equal to 8, or 2 exponent x being equal to negative 2. This is a mark for me to mention that this is not a solution. That's non-real. So I have 2 exponent x being equal to 2 exponent 3, which gives x a 3. Good. Now, the simultaneous, you've been doing simultaneous 3 years again. 3 years. So I'm going to just name the equations. This will be my first one. This will be the second one. Then I create the third one. Okay, I can select one because the simplest one to make a variable the subject. So I have y being equal to 2x. When I take the one that side, it's a negative 1. So there I have formed the equation. This will be the third one. And then from the third one, I substitute the third one in the second one. So I have x squared minus x. So the place of y, I'm going to place this thing here. So you will have 2 exponent x minus 1. And then plus 2x minus 1 all squared equal to 7. Then I have x squared minus 2x squared plus x plus 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 equal to 7. Okay, let me take the 7 aside. Then I look for like terms. X squared minus 2x squared. That is a negative x squared. Then I have plus 4x. So the result is 3x squared. x minus 4x, it's negative 3x. Then positive 1 minus 7, it's a negative 6. This is all equal to 0. You can divide everything here by 3. We'll have x squared minus x minus 2. This is equal 0. So I have x being, wait, skip this so that you see what's going on. Okay, so this is going to be positive. So I have x being equal to negative 1 or x equals positive 2. Then I substitute x into the first equation. That will be easy. Then I have y being equal to 2. Then x is a negative 1 minus 1 there. You have negative 3. So you have negative 1 is 2, negative 3. Then again, y equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Then I have a positive 3. So my coordinates are 2 is to 3. There we go.